This is our database GPT. The front-end UI design is built in Streamlit. So basically here we can query from our database to see the response. I want to see the data present in database which I have used. So I get this response. So the response is basically saying the database contains following tables in the database. So let's try some more query. So now I want to see the table present in dim account table. I want to see the column name present in the dim account table. So now query the ask the GPT to give me the response. So this is the response from GPT. The column name present in dim account are this. So now I want to ask some more details about. Now I'm asking to show me the data present in account description column, which is the column present in dim account. So let's query. So now I can see the data of the account description column, which are the following. So this is our history, which I have previously talked with our GPT. And this is the data. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the Streamlit uh, Streamlit backend. So this is my Streamlit backend, where I have used long chain chat model, and this is my codes for Streamlit UI design. So in backend I have used Django. So I'm going to show you the overview of the Django code. So when I ask my GPT to give me the result, the backend Django will automatically fetch the data from the database file, and then you will give me the response in the Streamlit. So when I this is our response from the database table. This is our it's built in Django, so there are many files present. So I will not get more involved with this present. Now I will take you to the my ETL pipelines functions. So this is my ETL tool for Oracle and SQL. I have separated two ETL tools. So then after ETL tool, I have used SQL agent, SQL database agent. Then I will convert that for accessing the CSV file, accessing the data from database. Then I will move to the CSV file. There I am converting the CSV file into DB file. Then after I will query for. Okay, that's all. Thank you.